Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload video files to your Microsoft Power Apps. So guys, we all know that Power Apps are being extensively used and its usage is increasing every day. Um, and the range of features it offers and ease of usage, these are making it more popular every day. So for any purpose, when you present a Power App to someone, they and if you have a video introduction, it could be anything, it's up to you. How does it feel? It feels good, right? So that's what we are gonna see. All right, so I'll do it a very simple app. Okay, I'll just say video load, create. Oh, fine. Okay, so what we want to do, we want to add media. Okay, so if you go to media, you have the options. What are the options you have? See, you have video, so I'll click on video. Now video is added. Okay, but you need the source for it, so that you will set here media and you click on add media file, then points it where your file is. Suppose I want to upload this and I click on this. Now it is being uploaded. Okay, it's uploaded now. Okay, so if I play this app, I can play this video too. Hi guys, I have the option of sound. I can make it full screen. All these options I have. Now coming to Power Apps, what are the actions I have with this? So I have the option of show control on. If I turn it off, what happens? Let's play and check it. Oh, like play and all, everything is gone. So this is not something we would like. So I would like to auto start. If I click OK, you know that when the screen become visible, it's gonna play. Loop, like if you want to keep on doing it, it's gonna be like that. Display mode, we are all aware of that. Visible, size, color, border. If you go to advanced, on pause, so you have like a lot of advanced features available. You can see that what are the action: on end, on pause, on start, show controls, visible. Okay, so I think you got the proper idea. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.